Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing an unboxing of this smart 2-in-1 LED UV lamp. So for one, I'm going to read this stuff on the outside of the box. So it's a model number 510. It has 21 little lights inside. It's a 36 watts lamp. Fastest curing time is 30 seconds. And what else? Its lifetime is 500,000 hours. And it has intelligent sensors inside. I think that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So the first thing in here is this little manual, and let's see. So how to use connect nail lamp with power adapter. The nail lamp goes standby. Intelligent sensor will automatically start when the hand gets into the nail lamp and automatically shuts down when leaving. So that's a good thing about it, because you don't always have to, keep pressing the button. You can just tell your client, okay, you can switch your hands out, and then as soon as they put their hand in there, the light will come on, and when they take it out, it turn off. So that's a plus. And then you just press the button according to the different gels to set the curing time. So they have a 30-second, 60-second, and 99-second, which is a low heat curing time. So I'm going to take this out, and it comes in this little bag. So I'm going to open it, and okay, so it's a pretty nice size. This one reminds me of the one that I ordered, the one that didn't work that I made a video about, but it's a different brand, obviously. The other one was like Sun UV, I think, and I like that it has the little timer on there. For some reason, I just always wanted a timer on my thing. For what reason, I don't know. I just wanted a timer because it looks really like up to date. So you can really see, but the first button is 30 seconds, and then it has a 60-second and 99 seconds, and then that's a low heat mode. So let me see, it comes with a little adapter too. So it comes like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in. Okay, so I plugged it in, and see, it comes right on, and you can do 30 seconds, the light came on, 60 and 99. You see how the low heat mode, kind of the lights get a little dimmer, like that's 60 seconds, and that's 90. So whenever you do the low heat mode, it doesn't get as hot. Another thing that I really like about this one is that it doesn't have a back to it, so my clients won't be bumping their hands at the back of it, because they love saying, I didn't touch it, but then look at this. Y'all see all that polish under my light, or in my light? This is the one I use every day. So they will always say, I didn't touch it, but then it's always polished in my light. So that's a really good thing about it, that you don't have to worry about them messing up their nails because there's not a back. And then you could take this little magnet or little metal piece from underneath, so whenever you do somebody's toes, you don't have to put their feet on there. What else? And it has, I think I said it has 21 lights. And the good thing about that is that, a lot of the time, a lot of lights don't have the lights like on the sides, which will be for the thumbs. So whenever I put my hand in there, those 3 lights would, hit my thumb. Well, a lot of lamps, they only have these up here, which causes for your thumbs to not get cured, and that's what a lot of people complain about. And that's how I think I have like 2 OPI ones that are like that. It doesn't have any lights on the side, so my thumbs never cure. So a lot of the time when that happens, you have to put your thumbs in there like this to where they're facing the top lights. But with this one, you won't have that problem because it has those extra little lights on the side. And then as you can see, it comes with the 2 sensors, so when you put your hand in there, it senses it, and that's what causes the light to turn on. So you want to make sure that you don't get any polish on those 2 little sides, because then your light will stay on all the time. So I think I like this one. Another thing that I like about this one is that it's not as big as this one. as you can see. This one will take up less space on my table than this one would, and that's why whenever I ordered my light the last time, I ordered something similar to this because I wanted something smaller, and then this, the back wall, was a big part of why I ordered the other one, which didn't work. So I really like this one so far. This one, I mean, of course I'll still use this one, but this one would definitely be more convenient because it's not as big. It won't take up as much space on my table, and then whenever I do toast, whenever I do people's toast, like, it's way more convenient, and it's really light actually, and it's my favorite color. It's pink. So I really like it so far. So it's only $25.99, and I do have a promo code which is 30% off, so I'll leave the link in the description. So like I said, it's really light, it's really convenient, the size is really good compared to others. I like that it has the timer. I like that it has the different, you know, I like that it has the little display, and then I like that it has the timers. I like the color. I really like everything about it. I wish that the one I would have ordered, that I ordered a long time ago, would have worked. That's why I ended up getting this one. But, you know, I don't have any problems with this one either. I still like, you know, the one that I have, which is this one, which as you can see, it's kind of been through some stuff. But yeah, I think I definitely, a lot of the time, like, my mother-in-law would want me to go do her nails, so this would definitely be something that I would take with me because, like I said, this one's too big, so I would definitely just put it in my box and take it with me. So that's another good thing about it. So yeah, so once again, if anybody is interested, I'll leave the link in the description. You do get 30% off by using the promo code I can't say the name, y'all. Nition UV, so it's Nition and then UV. So once again, I'll leave that in the description. If anybody, y'all, I cannot talk today. If anybody is interested, and yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to come. And I will be doing videos where I actually use this lamp, so you guys will, you know, get a better view of what it actually does and make sure that it cures really good. But for now, make sure to go check them out, or if you want to wait until I do the other video, that's fine too. But I think that's a really good deal because I think I paid, I can't remember how much I paid, but I know it was more than $25, I think. And then you get the 30% off, so that's a really good deal. So once again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at GetNailed32, and I will be back for more videos, so stay tuned for that.